The future of farming is here, and it's insane. Farming is getting so futuristic, I half expect cows to have Wi-Fi. Seriously, they're probably out there binge-watching Netflix. Welcome to Dr. AgNomad, where we break down the wildest innovations feeding our planet. And trust me, some of these sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's dive in. First innovation: regenerative agriculture, farming that heals the earth. Think of this as Mother Nature's spa day, a way to farm while improving the soil instead of destroying it. Methods like growing cover crops stops erosion and restore soil nutrients. The no-till farming traps carbon in the soil, helping fight climate change. Further, rotational grazing keeps the land fertile and prevents overgrazing. And the results? Farms using regenerative methods have seen yields up to 30% higher, while cutting down on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. It's farming with a hug for the planet. Second innovation: AI and machine learning, your farm's brainy sidekick. Imagine a 24/7 farming assistant that never sleeps, constantly analyzing data to help farmers make smarter decisions. Let's look at some real-world examples. In United States, John Deere's See and Spray technology uses AI to distinguish between crops and weeds, applying herbicides only where needed, reducing chemical use by up to 90%. The Plant Village app uses AI to diagnose crop diseases from smartphone photos, helping small-scale farmers in Africa, Asia, and America stop infestations before they spread and adapt to climate change. In Japan, AI-powered greenhouses adjust temperature, humidity, and lighting automatically for optimal plant growth. It's like having a genius farmer on call, analyzing every square inch of the farm. No coffee breaks required. Third innovation: aquaponics, the fish-powered farming. It means fish poop equals plant fertilizer. Sounds weird, but it works. Fish produce waste. Then the bacteria break it down into nutrients for plants, and plants clean the water for the fish, making it a win-win situation. Aquaponics uses 90% less water than traditional farming. Singapore's Sky Green's vertical farms use aquaponics to produce fresh vegetables in a city with almost no farmland. Perfect for urban farming and sustainable food production. Who knew fish poop was so productive? Fourth innovation: agricultural robots. Farming's hardest workers are now made of metal, and they never get tired. The Harvey robotic apple picker in United States uses AI to detect ripe apples and pick them without bruising. In Australia, Swarm Farm Robotics has developed autonomous weeding robots that roam fields, targeting weeds with pinpoint accuracy, reducing the need for herbicides. In Japan, the tomato-picking robot from Panasonic autonomously identifies ripe tomatoes and picks them at the perfect time, ensuring better quality produce. In Netherlands, the Agrobot E-Series specializes in strawberry harvesting, using AI to detect ripeness and gently pick strawberries without damaging them. With labor shortages becoming a global issue, robot farmhands are stepping in to fill the gap, and they don't take lunch breaks. Fifth innovation: genetic engineering. Imagine plants that laugh in the face of droughts, floods, and pests. That's genetic engineering. Let's look at some real-world examples. First up, drought-resistant wheat, HB4. Developed by Argentina's Bioceres, this wheat variety is engineered with a sunflower gene that helps it survive drought conditions while maintaining high yields. Approved for commercial use in Argentina, Brazil, and Australia, it's helping farmers in dry regions produce wheat even in extreme climates. Next up, BT cotton. Engineered to resist pests like the cotton bollworm, it reduces pesticide use by over 50%. It increased cotton yields in India by 30 to 40%, improving farmer incomes. Third, golden rice. Packed with vitamin A, helping to fight malnutrition in countries where rice is a staple food. It is approved for cultivation in the Philippines and Bangladesh. Number 4, flood-tolerant rice, submergence-tolerant scuba rice. Developed by the International Rice Research Institute, this variety can survive underwater for up to 2 weeks, helping farmers in flood-prone regions of India and Bangladesh. With climate change causing unpredictable weather, drought-resistant wheat, flood-proof rice, and pest-fighting cotton are game-changers for global food security. Sixth innovation: vertical farming, skyscrapers of salad. Urban farming just went vertical. How it works? Crops grow in stacked layers under LED lights. It uses 90% less water than traditional farming. Singapore's Sky Greens is producing fresh vegetables in a city with almost no farmland. Aero Farms in New Jersey grows greens using aeroponics. Plants get nutrients from mist instead of soil. Farming in the concrete jungle just got a whole lot greener. Seventh innovation, precision agriculture. Drones, sensors, and satellites put farming on autopilot. Need water? Sensors detect it. Pests attacking? Drones zap them. It saves time, water, and money. Blue River Technology, owned by John Deere, has AI-driven see and spray technology that individually target weeds instead of spraying an entire field. Farming has officially entered the space age. Eighth innovation, lab-grown meat, the future of burgers. Science just hacked the food chain. How it works. Scientists grow meat from animal cells without actual animals. It uses 90% less land and water than traditional livestock, produces up to 96% fewer emissions, and it's ethical and cruelty-free. Eat Just in the USA has FDA approval for lab-grown chicken. Upside Foods is scaling up lab-grown beef production. Who knew the future of burgers would come from a lab instead of a farm? From AI-powered farms to fish-powered plants, the future of agriculture is here, and it's wild. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more futuristic farming fun with Dr. AgNomad.